Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. We have the King Kuda this 2025 something is very nice. I have no idea what it is. Audi Avant Street Shark. Is it Street Shark? Street Shaker. Okay, Aston Martin land speed, high speed edition. This also fantasy casting that is very nice. Toyota GT86. This one looks like a camouflage for ships. Maserati Shamal, the Batmobile, a Jaguar, Audi, the rest is all new. This is also new, the Seat Cupra. A Fiat 500 in gold, Maserati Shamal, Hot Ones, the moving parts from Matchbox. This premium Hot Wheels is not nice. Fast and Furious Nano rides, and they are selling the protector case. You can put your Hot Wheels card in it to protect. And at the side we have some pop race. This is very nice. A ridiculous exhaust showing from the back, and from the side there is another vending machine that sells flowers. So it's difficult to go in here. We see from far. This is the Nissan, no, the Toyota AE86. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.